So I just want to update you guys. It's first day back riding. Got cleared to ride the turn track.
There it is. We finally have an update from Cooper Webb after his thumb injury and subsequent surgery, and it sounds like it's going to be pretty quick. If he's got a couple weeks on the bike after, well, if in a couple weeks he's been riding the bike on the turn track, he probably is going to be well enough to at least do some nationals in the final third of the season. So this is exciting. Obviously, he's well out of the championship. There's going to be no chance that he becomes even close to racing for it, but it's still added competition. It's somebody else that could take a couple race wins away or take some podiums away and screw up some points for, for Jed or whoever else, basically for Jed, let's be honest. But I mean, I want to see the best competition possible. So if you get people, Cooper Webb, Eli Tomac, those people back in the last few races, at least it's going to make it more enjoyable to watch, at least for me. I mean, obviously, racing in general is fun, but the more people you have that can win or have the chance to win, makes it just better. Obviously, the best product you can put out is a big competitive field of people who are all going to be racing tight and close together, and we'll see. But comments below, you guys tell me. Are you going to any races? Hopefully, I'll be at Southwick this Saturday to watch that one. But if you've been to any, are you going to any? Who do you win? Who do you think wins the 250 and the 450 championship? Whatever it is, comment down below, and then continue watching if you want to see the full video for his update. And yeah, like I said, comment down below whatever you want. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.
So I just want to update you guys. It's first day back riding. Got cleared to ride the turn track. So we just finished up that. It's all good. Thumb feels pretty good. And yeah, as you can see, got it out of the brace, got it moving. Stitches held up, everything's good. The plan for now is to do turn track for a week or two and then take it from there and see where that puts us come the end of the outdoor season. Keep you guys updated, but yeah, happy, all smiles, first day back.